it going, my fellow YouTubers? Today we're going to be looking at a wood burning kit. This particular kit is made by Intlmate. This kit you can find on Amazon. It's a 54-piece set and it comes with 16 different stencils. It runs off a 110 volt. Temperatures ranging from 392 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. It does indicate that you should wait 3 to 5 minutes to let the item actually warm up before you use it. As of today, you can find this product for roughly around $25.99. So this actually makes it a pretty good deal, especially if you're just getting into the whole wood burning game just like I am. It's a real easy way to start without breaking the bank. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this unique kit. As you can see, it does come in a fairly nice case. It's compact, pretty well made, feels pretty durable, comes with a little carrying sash here. Alright, let's open her up, let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we have here are some of the instructions. So as you can see, things are pretty nicely laid out. So what we have here are some tips. Okay, looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different tips here that we can use. Looks like it also comes with a pretty nice little stand here. That's something that's nice to have. As you know, these particular tools can get very, very hot. You know, they are dangerous if used incorrectly, so you definitely want to be very careful when you're using one of these pins. And you know, this is just nice to have. Put it there on the side, rest your pin there, and not have to worry about setting anything on fire. Alright, so what else do we have here? Alright, let's move that aside just a bit. Okay, so we have a little Ziploc package here. Looks like we have a pin. Looks like we have some more of the varying tips that we can use. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Okay. Looks like we have some of the stencils here. These off to the side just a little bit. These are actually quite nice. They feel pretty durable. You know, the metal is not too flimsy. It's actually, seems like it's going to hold up pretty good. I like that. So we have some numbers, different math symbols. Here, of course, we have some of our alphabets. Okay. Also, again, pretty nice. Looking good. Again, the metal not too flimsy. It looks like it's going to hold up pretty well. Okay. Move those off to the side. We did get a pencil. And I don't know if you can see there. The writing on the pencil is actually in Chinese. That's kind of cool. But anyway, if you need a pencil, you do get one here. You also get a sharpener for your pencil. And you get some other stencils here, quite a few different types that you can use, of course, when you're doing your burning artwork. There you go. Okay, let's get this thing open. Packaged pretty tightly. Better just go ahead and close that up. Okay, so here are some more of the stencils. Boy, they got quite a few. I mean, talking a bunch of various different stencils, a lot of different things you can use, create. gonna have some fun with. Not too bad. I mean, you get quite a bit. And again, for $25.99, I mean, kind of hard to beat. Okay. We're gonna move on to some more of the tips that we get. You can see here we have some that are probably more for detailed work, as you can see here. Looks like we have a connector, various different tips that we can use. Again, all this for $25.99, not too bad. Now, let's go ahead and look at the actual pen. And everything was packaged quite nicely. I did like that. Okay. Everything nice and tight. It's going to be fun getting all that back in. So here's the actual pen. As you can see, it looks pretty good. There's a little knob here. It says 110 volt, working at 60 watts. Low end at the 200, goes all the way up. It says 450 as the highest temp. But as far as indicated in the product description, it did say that this does go up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. So here we are. Pretty nice product. Okay guys, I went ahead and let the pen sit and heat up for a few minutes, so it should be ready to go. What I have right now are some pieces of spare wood that I'm going to use. This is a piece of weather treated lumber that you can find at any of your local big box stores like Home Depot or Lowe's. I do have some cedar here from one of my other woodworking projects, and something you guys might want to look into buying. I do have some smooth pine squares. I believe these were 2x2s or 2x3s. I can't quite remember right off the top of my head, but I went ahead and ordered some of these along with a pen from good old Amazon. And my daughter did do me a solid, and she mocked up a couple of quick drawings on these, so we could go ahead and give that a shot a little bit later on. But again, this is my very first time using this, so you're gonna come along on the ride with me. Again, these things are very hot, so be careful with it. I do have it on the provided stand. So the first piece of wood I'm gonna go ahead and use is the weather treated. Let's see how it works here. I did put on the fine tip headpiece on this one, just because I wanted to see how small of a line I can actually get. Okay, so let's take a look. Now, as far as the temperature, I went ahead and put it on max. I just wanted to kind of see how easy this would actually burn into the wood. I do have it plugged into an extension cord and making sure I do have enough slack here. So I'm just gonna make some straight lines. Let's see how this works out. This particular wood is quite thick. Making sure I do have it maxed out. Does have a lot of grain to it, so I'm going to kind of go with the grain on this. Okay, so on the treated wood, a little bit harder to work with. This is something you're really not going to be using, I'm sure, when you're actually working with a pen such as this wood burning pen. This is just, again, spare wood I had. I was just wondering what would it actually do with something like this. Out of the way. Okay guys, let's get a little more close and personal here so you can actually see what the pen is doing as I move it across this cedar piece of wood here. So I'm just gonna kind of continue to make some straight lines. Again, I am new to this. It's literally my first time, so you're learning with me. See if I can make a little F here. How about that? Okay. Well, let's see if I can move on to this little drawing my daughter made. I think I'm going to need a lot more time with this tool before I can get that much detail, but let's see how this goes. And again, I did buy these on Amazon. They come in packs, pretty inexpensive, pine, smooth, made just for this particular type of hobby for wood burning. So let's see how this works. All right. So I'm going to start with the horizon line. Okay, this definitely easier to work with. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you learned something, please consider subscribing or give me a thumbs up. If you feel this can help someone else that you know might be interested in something like this, please consider sharing with them. Well, thanks for watching and stay safe out there guys.